Alright guys, so Makita has their own little starter kit with a free tool deal going on. Two 4 amp hour batteries and a quick charger, and you get a free tool. And I'll leave a link in the description, of course. They got their 1/2 inch impact wrench, which I have, and this thing is a beast. It's the size of an impact driver, and it is my favorite impact wrench on the market, and that includes the Milwaukee ones. I like the Milwaukee ones, but this one here, for whatever reason, I like it better. It's got 6 modes. I mean, it's got all kind of options on it. You can get it either with the pin detent or the friction ring. Friction ring is going to be $6 more. So this is your selection of tools. You got the 2 impact wrenches, your cordless router, angle grinder, the brand new light, I believe it's 4,000 lumens, your die grinder, cordless planer, SDS rotary hammer, and that's everything online. Now they already are sold out of 4 of these tools, so you have a limited selection. Now I selected this one, and it come out to $90 for this impact wrench and $88 for the starter kit. You really cannot beat that. If you want to hack it just for the batteries, choose the most expensive tool, and 57% off. Look at that. And that's with this one. I don't even think this was the most expensive one. I can't even remember. Let me check again real quick. 57% off with the impact wrench. Come on now. Let's see if I can get the batteries down any cheaper. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Okay, so that is the most expensive one that's available. The rotary hammer would have probably brought it down to like $70 for the batteries. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description.